Profile Valet is an exciting new feature in ImagePrint 9. To access Profile Valet, we're going to expand the printer profile selection of the dashboard. Right away we see three tabs. We have Profile Valet, Choose by Profile, which is the old method of choosing a profile by name, and our favorites list. Up top we have some modifiers. This is going to limit what we see in the list. We have Photo Black Ink, Matte Black Ink, and our Fat Black if that option is available based on the printer you have. Below that we have whether we're going to look for a color profile or a grayscale profile. Then Profile Valet is going to ask us to choose the paper by the manufacturer. We're going to go over to Hahnemühle, and down in the paper it'll show us a list of all the supported papers based on Photo Black as our selection and color for the kind of profile that we're looking for. Right now I'm going to switch to, let's say, a Hahnemühle Photo Rag Baryta. If there's multiple quality modes supported for the printer that you have, they'll show up here. Also, the display lighting condition. Each profile we build in 5 different lighting conditions. The standard being daylight. There's also fluorescent, 2 mixed conditions, warm and cool, and tungsten. For example, when I'm doing portrait work, I like to choose a mixed cool lighting environment. This pretty much guarantees that when I display an image on a wall in a mixed environment, the skin tones are going to look very natural and nice. Down below you're going to see the actual name of the profile, and if this profile existed on our system there would be a house here. It doesn't, so the download and apply button is active. I'm going to select it, and Profile Valet is going to go out to our website and retrieve that profile and put it in place. And when it puts it in place, there's a system of tags that we have inside the profile that tells the software exactly the best way to use this profile. So none of the other tedious settings need to be set up. We're going to do that for you. Now that this profile is on our system, you can see the little house icons showed up. If this is going to be a profile we're going to use over and over again, we can add it to our favorites list, we can change the name, or we can leave it the default name, which will show the paper by name, the quality mode, and the lighting condition we have chosen. And go ahead and say OK, and that's going to add it to our favorites list. We can jump over here and actually see that it did that, and there it is. Going back to Profile Valet, we are now ready to use that profile. One of the other nice things I'm going to talk about before we close this out is that every time you launch ImagePrint, the software is going to go to our website and download an index file. This index file gives you an always up-to-date list of the profiles we support for your printer. We are constantly adding profiles to our system, so just by looking at the list, you'll know of the new profiles we've added, and you can easily download them and start using them immediately. Thanks for taking the time to look at Profile Valet. We hope you enjoy version 9.